Hello everyone, this is Garvita again from the BST Scholars, and today I am going to ask a very simple question from you. That is, are you aware of your worth? Are you aware of your value? I think 90% of the people will say yes, we are very precious, very good, very important. But are you really mean your words? Do you? So I want to conclude all these things with my one question, and some of my followers will think that it's a waste of time, there's nothing in all these things, the story is worthless, something like that. And some will think it's an important story, it's a motivational story. Let's begin the story, but before that I want to share a very important quote which I actually heard from one of my friend, which says that you don't see the things the way they are, you see the things the way you are. So if you like the story, it means you are a positive person. But if you not, you should have to improve yourself a little bit, but you should. Okay. So the story starts with there was two pot and one water bearer. Water bearer, pani bharne wala. So water bearer work was he daily takes both the pots together, one in the right side, one in the left side. But the thing was, the one pot, let's suppose the name of the pot was A and B. So the pot A was a little bit cracked. And every time when the master, the water bearer, just fill the water from the river, it will spill down a little, few drops always from that A pot. And the master never say nothing about that. He never complained to the pot that why you crack, nothing like this. But the thing was, the pot always think that my master never says or never just complain about me. But still, the thing was, he always feel guilty that yeah, I'm a waste of time. I'm like useless, nothing like that. So always like this. So one day, the pot A start crying, and the master asked him that what happened, pot? Why are you crying? The pot says that, Master, I know you never say this thing, but still, I know that you are actually feel that I am a waste of time, I am worthless, because you always fill me full. When you just take me to the river, you always fill me full, but when you come back the home, you just see me half of the fill. मतलब तुम मुझे आधा ही देख पा रहे हो, तुम पूरा भर के ला रहे हो, तुम्हारी मेहनत पूरी जा रही है, तुम वहाँ से चल के मुझे लेकर आ रहे हो, बट स्टिल मैं सिर्फ तुम्हें आधा 50% काम करके दे रहा हूँ. आई एम वर्थलेस, आई नो दिस थिंग. द मास्टर सेज नथिंग, 0%, बट ही still smiles, give a soft smile and says, are you serious, pot? Don't you know what you are doing? So pot, like was in shock, panic striken. He said, I know I have did something wrong, so tell me that you are worthless. Why are you smiling? The master says, okay, tell me, pot, that have you seen the flowers which was grown on the side of the road? The pot says that beautiful flowers, right? वो सुंदर सुंदर फ्लावर, वो जो उगे हुए रहते हैं साइड में, वही तो मास्टर कहता है yes yes that pots, the flowers which was grown in the side of the road, so beautiful. Pot says, yeah, they are so beautiful. Whoever grew them was so blessed by me, because the flowers are so much beautiful that they enhance the beauty of that road. So the master smiled again and said, then it means you are just giving a blessing to yourself. The pot was like in a shock. But why am I giving this all this credit to me? Because I have never just grow them. मैंने उनको कभी नहीं बीज दिया, कभी उनको उगाया नहीं, तो मुझे क्यों क्रेडिट मिल रहा है? The master says, Pot, from the starting till now, I was well aware of this thing that you was cracked. कि तुम हाँ टूटे फूटे हो तो मुझे ये पता है, but still I use them because I know your worth. तो मुझे पता था कि तुम टूटे फूटे हो, पर तब भी मैंने तुम्हें यूज़ किया क्योंकि मुझे तुम्हारी वर्थ पता है, मुझे तुम्हारी वैल्यू पता है. बट द थिंग वॉज यू डोंट नो योर वैल्यू, because I was well aware that you are cracked. So I just put some seeds on that roadside, and every time when I just take you to the home, from the river to the home, the pani which you spill down just get on the soil, and the water which actually spill on the soil, on the seeds, help the flowers to grow. समझ रहे हो मेरी बात? उन फूल को किसने उगाया? तुमने। जिस तुम अपने आप को वर्थलेस कह रहे हो, अपने आप को इतनी गालियाँ दे रहे हो, तुमने उस पौधों को उगाया है। समझ रहे हो? द पॉट वॉज लाइक वैन, मैंने कब उगाया उन्हें? तो मास्टर से तुमने ही उगाया है। तो उसने एक बार के लिए बोला कि हाँ, जब पानी मैं गिरा रहा हूँ, जब मैं अपना एफर्ट दे रहा हूँ, भले ही मैं करेक्ट हूँ, बट स्टिल मैंने कोई पॉजिटिव चीज़ करी हो, तो वो समझ ही नहीं पाया। तो मास्टर ने एक बात कही जो कि बहुत अच्छी लगी मुझे, that I know that not even a single person in this world is perfect, but still the most imperfect person is also one of the person that will do the perfect thing. यानी कि वो पर्सन जो कि बिल्कुल परफेक्ट नहीं है, पर वो भी किसी दिन ऐसा काम कर जाता है जो कि एक परफेक्ट इंसान भी नहीं कर पाता। इसका मतलब ये है कि आपको अगर अपनी वैल्यू नहीं पता है तो आप कभी अपनी लाइफ में कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे। दूसरे अगर आपकी वैल्यू जानते हैं तो वो आपका क्रेडिट लेके जा सकते हैं। आपको अपनी वैल्यू, अपनी सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट, अपनी सेल्फ स्टीम खुद बिल्ड करनी पड़ती है। आप ये सोच रहे हो कि मेरे अंदर ये कमी है, I don't have that much perfection in my work, I don't have that much abilities, I am not capable of anything. It is not the solution of anything. अगर आपको अपनी वैल्यू पता है, then only you are the person who can achieve the goal in your life. गोल ओरिएंटेड का मतलब क्या है? ये नहीं है कि आपको बस ये पता है कि मुझे अपना गोल ये है, मुझे इसको अचीव करना है। कैसे करोगे? ये चीज़ आनी बहुत ज़रूरी होती है। So today I also want to just conclude this thing in the last, that if you are not able to know your worth, you are not able to just achieve anything. अपनी वैल्यू, अपनी सेल्फ स्टीम, अपनी वर्थ सब अपने आप को ही बनानी पड़ती है। The most important quote which I ever heard in my life, I think the moral and I think the most beautiful advice which I have taken from my elders, that you know what, तुम जो एक कॉपी को देखते हो in your school, if you see when the burden of all the notebooks come on a single copy, all the notebook when the single copy पे जो burden आता है ना, it will become rough. मतलब जब आप सारा बर्डन अपने ऊपर लेके चलोगे तो आप रफ की तरह काउंट होगे। एंड इट वॉज नॉट अबाउट द नोटबुक्स, इफ यू नो इट वेरी वेल कि ये कॉपियों के लिए नहीं था। जब आप दुनिया भर का सारा बर्डन अपने दिमाग पे लेके चलोगे तो आप रफ बन जाओगे। यही चीज़ की कह रही थी। सो फॉर टुडे, थैंक यू फॉर दिस सेशन, और इफ़ यू लाइक माई वीडियो प्लीज़ कमेंट, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। थैंक यू।